How's it going, everybody? My name is Ethan, and today we're going to be talking about labor pricing. Some of the most frequently asked questions we get here at Paragon Performance are about our labor pricing. We charge $200 an hour for labor, and you might be asking yourself the question, how long does it take for you to install a specific product on my C8 Corvette? Well, as it turns out, I have the 8 to 10 most commonly installed products that we put on customers' cars here and how long it takes to install them. So let's take a look at them. Some of the most frequently installed products that we see here in the shop are front and rear brake pads. These are only going to take about an hour to install each. Another common product that we see wanting to be installed is an exhaust. If you're looking for a Paragon catback exhaust to be installed here, you're looking at about 3 hours of labor. If you're looking for another brand or a center exit conversion, you're looking at about 4 hours for labor. Moving away from brakes and exhausts and looking at exterior mods, front lips are a super popular item here at Paragon Performance. If you're looking to get these installed here, you're looking at about an hour to an hour and a half of labor, depending on if you have a narrow or a wide body C8 Corvette. Grill guards are a super awesome way to protect your C8 Corvette from rock chips or any other road debris. These can take anywhere from 1 to 3 hours to install, depending on if you want front or side guards and if you have a wide body or a narrow body C8 Corvette. Grill bezel lights are another cool addition to this list. They take 2 hours to install if you don't have grill guards and 3 hours to install if you do, or if you have a wide body C8 Corvette. Another great item on this list are wheel spacers. These can take just half an hour if you have a wide body or 2 hours if you have a Stingray. Moving on from exterior mods and looking at intakes, these are a super popular mod that we see here at Paragon and can take anywhere from 3 to 3.5 hours depending on if you have a coupe or a hardtop convertible. Moving on to suspension, this is one of the most popular modification categories, and there's a lot of variance in how long it can take to install some of these parts. It can range from 2 to 5 hours depending on what car you have and if you want stage 1 or 2 lowering. And last but not least, some of my favorite products on this list are wings from Veris Engineering. These take around 2 hours to install. Well, that's all I had on my list. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to us at support@paragonperf.com. And as always, I hope to see you in the next video.